Today we learn how to create a downloadable PDF button like this. If any user click on this button, download the PDF automatically. So let's start. Go to your WordPress dashboard, and now I want to create a new page. Page name is PDF download, and here is Elementor full white. Now published. Edit with Elementor. Now I want to get a section, and here it is search button. This is button, and now I want to space this one middle and padding something like this. Okay, now published, and I put a downloadable PDF link here. Before I upload a PDF file, add media, and here is my PDF. This is PDF file, and please copy the URL, and now go to the button here and click on this one. Now here is the link, so I paste the PDF URL here, and you can see here is the gear icon, the setting icon. Click on this one, and here is the key and value. So you should write download, then, and here is PDF name, downloadable PDF. Okay, now I change the button name and save. Go to page review, and when you click on the downloadable PDF button, you should download the PDF here. If it's helpful for you, don't forget subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.